So here is the BOYA. I just took it out of the box. BOYA BY-PM 500 USB microphone. I like the name, and I just took this out of the box, and this is what I had. So I guess it's about finding out how to adjust this mic. It comes with two different USB cords. So I'm going to just undo this because I want to try it out to see how it's going to work. So I guess this goes in here. These are the ends. So that's for the phone, and that's for the computer, sorry, and this one goes into the phone. I don't know much about cords, but this one just goes into that one, and that goes into the phone, into the PC. So we can I'll just take this off and put this one aside now that we can see what the two ends looks like. I just don't know what I'm about to see. I just check it here and undo this second cord. It's so good that the BOYA BY-PM 500 does come with two separate cords, which was the main reason why I bought it. So as you can see, yep. So I hope one end goes into the back, and I don't know which one, but I'm just going to try. This one fits in, and I hope this side goes into the phone. And then the headset. Where's my headset is here. So I've got the headset. There we go. I've got my headset here. So I hope my headset pops into. Going to pop my headset on, and I've got my laptop here. I just put it next to me on the side, and I just want to see whether I can pop this end into the other side. Probably, since I'm using the same phone, I need to take this out and try out the other cable. I think this cable will work out better because here would go into the computer and here will go into this slot. Sorry guys, I don't know the terms, so let me just try and error. It is working. See, the light came on because I just put this one on the computer. I just popped it in. It's that one, you can see. And the microphone is working. I'm so glad. Now, how do I get? Hi guys, it's Akos Creative. Welcome to this video just to demonstrate me unboxing the tabletop microphone BOYA BY-PM 500, and it's working. So to you guys who want to start podcasting, I hope you will choose BOYA. I'm not getting any pay for promoting this product, but this is the first microphone I've bought which is working just the way I expected it to work. And there's a volume button here, so I am increasing the volume and you can tell it's louder, and I'm just turning down the volume. I don't know what this button is for, but it says pattern. I don't know what that is for. So we're going to fiddle around with this and hopefully it will start working. Okay. Yes, my mic is working. It's light on. And I'm just going to fidget with this and it should be fine. Welcome back guys. I have just unboxed the BOYA and I kind of like the name. I just unboxed that a few minutes ago. Sorry about the sounds. I'm just trying out a microphone for the first time and it can be quite exciting, quite scary. And it came with two separate cords. That's for the C. These ends are the same, which means they can go into some phones or computers. Those of you who are tech savvy, you know what the terms are, but it's something like C, I'm not sure, but this is how it looks like, and it goes into the back of the mic. So what is inside right now, it's the end is like that, and this other end is where my headset fits in right now. So with that, if you have a computer with an end like that, you can just fit that in. And I'm using the other cord that comes with the one with this end and the other end that fits into your laptop, and it worked. So my BOYA PM 500 is working all right. And earlier on I was trying to work out how to adjust this mic. Sorry about the sound. You can actually loosen the bolts on one side to swivel the mic, and you can stabilize that by screwing this end in. And since I have the manual here, this part is the microphone cover, and this knob, which you can turn left or right, adjusts the volume. Now when I press this light, you realize that this other end comes on, and I'll turn this around So okay, so I'm just going to demonstrate to you what it does. Now I have actually plugged my BOYA PM 500 into the same Samsung video or record this session. I've plugged one end of that cable into the back of the BOYA PM 500, and I still have the spare cable. Now, like I said before, with the other cable, it's got the ends, and I'll find the names, the ends that goes into your laptop and the smaller end that goes into the phone. So with the other cable, both ends look like this, the smaller end, and whilst in the previous video the bigger end was in my laptop. So I'm just going to pop that here, and now we can test the sound of the mic because I've connected the microphone directly into my Samsung mobile, so you can tell the difference. Now I have got the cardioid setting on, which I read earlier on, the cardioid. Sorry about my pronunciation. It maximizes the rejection of sound coming from the back or the sides of the microphone, and it's very good for recording or capturing full, rich, natural sounding audio for podcasts, speech, dialogue, instruments, etc. I'm reading this from the manual. So this is the kind of setting I need, and with the cardioid setting, it's got the circle with a bit of indent in it, so you can use that setting to record YouTube videos, podcasts, or conversations that are coming directly into the mic. That is my understanding. If you want to change that setting, you just need to press this little button, and you can see that I've selected the omnidirectional, and according to the manual, it says that the omnidirectional pick up sound equally from all sides, capturing a natural blend of voice and ambience and low sensitivity to wind and handling noise, as well as to vocal plosives. So I do have like a filter, and I'm going to try that filter pretty soon, but I think I would go for the cardioid setting. So I'm just going to press this and watch the light moves from this end to the other side, and you can see that the sound has changed. It's a bit lower volume sound, and I guess it's because it's coming directly into the phone. So guys, I just wanted you to see the difference. At this stage, if I tap the mic, there's a bit of sound. Like I mentioned, I've got my pop filter. I would see whether I can find that in a second. I'll be back. So guys, I'm still using the cardioid setting, and I've got my pop filter. I just want to try it out. Now, this pop filter has an end that I can actually screw and attach to any any stand that I want. But to avoid fidgeting, I just want to demonstrate how the difference that the pop filter makes to the sound going into this mic. So here I'm using the pop filter, and I hope a lot of the P's and the T's and the wind coming from my mouth is minimized, and yet the sound is good. And as I come closer, you can see the difference, and as I step back a bit, about 15 centimeters from the mic, this is how it sounds like. So look, I believe that I'm all set up to go.
my mic is working, my BOYA PM 500 is working, and I'm quite pleased with this purchase. Like I said, I got it off eBay. It's not that expensive, and it's, for me, it's a good way to start trying out how to adjust the volume in a mic. There's a volume button here, and as I turn this, the volume goes down, and I can increase the volume still using the pop filter. So pop, pop, pop. You can see the sound. I have increased the sound quite a lot. I think that's about the highest, and so I can sit back and relax and have my pop filter. My pop filter is off, pop filter on. Hopefully it makes a difference. I will turn the volume back down a bit. It was just so loud, but there you go. Your BOYA PM 500, and this is cardioid setting. Such a fancy name. I love it. I hope you love watching this video, because probably you are searching for what type of microphone you buy. I bought several others. The one with the long arm, I think this desktop one is good for me. It's not that heavy. I don't know how much it weighs, but look, it's designed for home studio, podcasting, YouTubers, and more. And BOYA PM 500 is a USB microphone that gives you a professional broadcast quality sound. And the microphone allows you to switch it. There we go. Very easy settings. I think this volume is loud. I'm going to turn this volume low. I think about there it's okay. Very easy to use, very easy to handle, and I like the feel of it. It's not too glossy, and you can put one of those microphone covers on it, or use one of those pop filters which I showed you, and they come in different sizes and weights and colors, I believe. So there we go. I hope you have fun grabbing your next BOYA PM 500, and it comes with a nice manual, about 20 pages. Part of it is English, part is Chinese, so you might want to grab your glasses and read. It's quite small, but look, it is very easy to set up, and I didn't have to read too much into the manual. It's just straightforward, self-explanatory. So I hope you love this video. Thank you guys, thanks for watching this, and I hope you subscribe to this channel, because I will be sharing with you some of my first-hand experiences, the things I did wrong, how I got it right, so you too don't have to make the same mistakes that some creatives have made. Thank you for watching once again, and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye bye.